Remove the lever assembly from the gas strut using an open-end wrench and adjustable wrench. Next, compress the gas strut using a quick clamp. This will allow you to test the handle later on in this process without having to reinstall the strut to the chair system. Please proceed with caution during compression. We recommend wearing applicable safety gear. Thread the lever assembly back onto the gas strut. After just making contact, loosen the lever assembly half a turn. The lever should be slightly loose, which will enable optimal operation. If the lever is too tight, this may cause inadvertent activation of the tilt adjustment when the strut is reinstalled. Tighten the jam nut using your open-end wrench and adjustable wrench. Make sure that the mounting holes on opposite ends of the strut are aligned for reinstallation. Finally, test the lever to ensure proper operation.